Hola, yo soy Susana Lescano. Bienvenidos a Spanish Education. This that you are watching is my content that I recorded for my students, mostly for kids, because I have the best online Spanish academy for kids. So if you have young children, I recommend you check Spanish the Fun Way at Outschool. But my goal is that everyone can learn Español. That's why I'm uploading una clase diaria, a daily class. So please don't forget to follow and subscribe. Also, like this video and comment what content do you want for me to record? Do you have Spanish questions? So please keep watching, enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end. Hasta luego.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Mal? Why? You tell me in class. Oh, bien. Okay. Mejor así. Good. Today, let's review. La casa. La casa. The house. First the rooms, then some furniture. Look, esta es la sala. Sala.
La sala.
Living room. El comedor. El comedor. Can you guess what is el comedor? Sí, it's a dining room. Why? Because you know from the verbs lesson that this is comer. That's to eat. Comer. Comer. To eat. So, the place to eat, el lugar para comer es el comedor. Comedor. Good. Then we have recámara. Recámara. That means bedroom. Recámara. Good. Very important. La cocina. La cocina. Right? La puerta. La puerta. Eso es. El baño. El baño. Puerta, by the way, is only door. It's not a room. Like el baño, bathroom, or cocina. Cocina. Good. Then we have ventana. 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 Window. Jardín. Jardín. Garden. Jardín. Eso es. Then we have techo. Techo. Roof. Techo. Good. Oh no, un ratón. ¿Dónde está? Where is it? Oh, está en el piso. Piso. Good. Piso. And what's this? ¿Qué es? La basura. La basura. Trash. La basura. And last but not least, el sillón. El sillón. Gato, don't look there. Sit here. Siéntate en el sillón. He's looking for el ratón. But shh. All right, now let's go with some furniture. We have cama en la recámara. Cama.
La cama.
La cama. The bed. La cama. Then we have la cómoda. La cómoda. ¿Sí? Good. El espejo. El espejo. Me gusta. I like el espejo. Then let's go to el baño for la estufa. No. Let's go to la cocina. So we get la estufa, el refrigerador, la lavadora, Muy bien, good job. La ducha, the shower, la ducha slash la bañera, Also, el inodoro, or sometimes we call it el excusado. This is literally the toilet, el inodoro, or el excusado. You can use one or the other. It's funny because excusado is like the forgiven one or something like this. Like if you say, excuse me, that's like sorry, forgive me. So it's the same in Spanish. Excusado, like excuse me, I need to go for a second.
Soy yo otra vez. It's me again. I wanted to remind you that the best way to learn Español is the fun way. So this is my book. It's the best Spanish guide. And trust me, I'm a Spanish teacher. I know what I'm talking about. If you're serious about learning Español, whether you are an adult, you're a beginner or to intermediate, or especially if you have children, this can work for them too when they grow up a little bit maybe. Check Spanish the Fun Way, link on Amazon, find it in the description and the first comment. Please keep watching.
And ducha and bañera is not as funny. Ducha is just shower. Bañera is bathtub. Then we have lavabo. Why? Because most words in Spanish make sense. Kind of make sense. Like from lavar, wash. Lavar. So this is lavabo. Ok, perfecto. Perfect. Sofá, of course. Sofá. Lámpara. Very similar to lamp. We add accent in ara. Lámpara.
La lámpara.
Sofá, by the way, is an interesting word because it does finishes in A, like 99% feminine words, but it's masculine.
El sofá.
El sofá. Weird. So you need to describe it with O's. So for example, if you want to say, the sofa is comfortable, you say, el sofá es cómodo. If it was a girl, we would need to say cómoda. But because it's el sofá, we say cómodo. Good. Lámpara. And last but not least, las escaleras. Sí. Muy bien. Nos vemos en la clase. Adiós.
Bueno, espero que te haya gustado mucho. I hope you enjoyed this video. Y recuerda, remember to check Spanish the Fun Way, the perfect Spanish book on Amazon, or you can find it a little bit cheaper at iloveyouinspanish.com or Spanish.Education. That's my website. Y nos vemos en la próxima clase. Adiós.